Hey everyone, it's Mari. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I have another craft box from Craft Box UK to share with you today. This is an unboxing video. They reached out to me and asked me if I would share the November craft box with you. And I said, absolutely. This is the second time that they've sent me a craft box, and I love these. They're right full of really fun and amazing products. And this is a kit that you can, or a box of craft supplies that you can get as part of a subscription. And they have a lot of really cool products on their website. I recommend definitely checking it out if you're interested. I am going to leave the link in the description box below to Craft Box UK. And I think it's just a really cool concept. And I want to share with you what came in the November kit so that you have an idea of what you get when you get these kits. This is the signature craft box, which was, like I said, for November. The colors are absolutely gorgeous and they're right up my alley for sure. I absolutely love blues. And this is just such a pretty color palette. So what they do on the top of your craft box is they give you a list of all of the different things that you get in that box. And in addition to what was in this box, they also sent me a set of the Winter Wishes postcards, which come in this little cellophane bag. And you get, like I said, this set, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these really gorgeous postcards. And they're really heavy, heavyweight cardstock with that beautiful artwork on them. So pretty. And then, of course, the postcard place to write your note, and the address and so on is on the back. So very pretty. Those are lovely. Okay, so I'm going to open up the box. You can see that it's packed in this really beautiful tissue paper with a sticker closure on it with the artwork from the kit. And I'm just going to try not to rip that sticker because it seems like something I could probably repurpose and use on a project. Okay, so this is going to be so pretty. Like I said, I love these colors. So first of all, you get a set of these really gorgeous floral pieces. So you get some leaves and some little kind of an oatmeal colored or off-white florals, and then some really pretty blues and kind of lavender color. So that's gorgeous. And you also get these beads. Not really sure what they call these on the list. I'm opening this for the first time, of course. So these are very pretty, but you can see that they're like kind of like a dimensional little bit that you can use as an embellishment. And they're super glittery and sparkly. They're so pretty. They're quite thick. They have a flat back on them, so it'd be super easy to glue down to a project. And there's a lot of different ways that you could use these, right? In an art journal, on a scrapbook layout, on any kind of an art project where you're using dimensional pieces. So these are so pretty with the teal, sparkly silver, iridescent colors. Gorgeous. Very pretty. Then, ooh, this is very neat. Oh, I love this. So this is, I believe what you could do with this is create an ornament. And so this is very cool. I am going to have so much fun working with these. So you can see how now, looking at the other things that you got here, including these little gems here, how you could use these to decorate the ornament, or probably even do some things on the inside of it, possibly. Ooh, beautiful glitter. So, and everything works together. All of the colors work together, of course. So this is some really pretty glitter. It's almost kind of like a purpley blue. So gorgeous. So that's lovely. That would also be nice inside of the ornament. So you can see there's a real winter theme here going on. Thus the name of the kit. And here we have, just looking back at the the list of items on here. Exclusive papers, exclusive stamp, snip art design, stencil, sentiment, flowers, charms. What does this say? It says druzy stones. So that's probably what these guys are here. I assume these are the druzy stones. Lace necklace. Oh, cool. So this is a necklace. Crystal snowflakes, washi tape, glitter, bauble, silver ribbon. So I'm assuming this is the bauble. Okay. I feel like British people have different words for different things though, right? Like I'm Canadian, so bauble doesn't necessarily mean the same thing, but I'm pretty sure this is bauble, right? And this is gorgeous. I love this. That is so pretty. That is really, really pretty. So it's got the snowflake, and then it's got the little gem on the front with the beautiful colors, and it's silver. So that is very, very pretty. And then you also get these snowflakes, and these are acrylic. Oh, crystal snowflakes is what they're calling them. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of these crystal snowflakes. So pretty. And then here's the lace that you get, which was also on that list. Sorry for the noise, the packaging. You get this really pretty lace. I had fun working with the lace that was in the last kit that I worked with as well. Super pretty. And you get quite a big chunk of this. I would say this is at least, it looks like 2 feet to me. I would say that that's probably very close. Then, as mentioned, you also get an exclusive stamp, which is really cool, and it goes along with the city theme. And so it's got the cityscape on it, and then it has snowflakes in the background. So that is very cool. And that is a photopolymer stamp, clear stamp, super cute. Then you also get some snowflake charms. And these are always fun. There's so many things that you can do with charms. If you want, you can add them to a card. You could add them to, if you're doing a mini album, if you wanted to put some charms on the spine of a mini album. All kinds of things that you could do with these. They're so pretty. And I love that they're silver. There's kind of a silver theme running through this whole kit so far, which looks really pretty with the blues and the purples. And then there's a washi tape, which is so gorgeous. So it's the purple glitter, and see if I can find the spot to start it here, but there's actually there's a lot on this roll. Very pretty. That is very nice. Love that. Such a pretty color of purple too. Purple is one of my favorite colors. And the Pantone color of the year this past year. Also, we have this beautiful snowflake trim, which is also beautiful and in a silver glitter. Oh my gosh, this could possibly be my favorite thing in this whole kit. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. I don't know if you can really appreciate on camera here how sparkly this is. What a beautiful embellishment. I could definitely use that on a scrapbook layout. Then you also get the laser cut wood piece here. And you get more than one. And these are quite intricate. And this is just beautiful. I love this. Oh, so pretty. That is very, very nice. And then you also get some laser cut pieces that are city related. So this is related to London. So you can see there's Big Ben and the double-decker bus and the phone booth, and then some little laser cut stars and snowflakes. Gorgeous. And you also get, guys, a stencil, which is a snowflake stencil. I love these. The one that I got in the last kit was a text, and it was gorgeous. It was so much fun to use. And this one's got some snowflakes. You could run some paste through that, all kinds of things. You could stencil some ink through that. And then you also get the exclusive papers. And I love the exclusive papers that are part of their kits because they're exclusive. You can't get them anywhere else, and they follow along the lines of everything else in the kit. So we can see some beautiful imagery here, florals, just this really wintry cityscape. So gorgeous. So there's that one. Just gonna lay these out. That one. And then just gonna get this packaging out of the way here. This one again with that girl looking off in the distance, so pretty. And I love this one too. Oh gosh, and I just love how it's distressed, right? Like you can see the little bit of the text on the edges. You can see the little bit of an impression of lace there, some snowflakes. It's just gorgeous. And then this one with the snow globe and the little girl. Once again with the florals, it looks like she's, you know, making a winter wish. I love that. And then this last one, which reminds me of a little Dickens village. I love that. It's gorgeous. So pretty. The blues and the purples. And you know, I'm from Canada. This is winter to me. That's what it looks like. Beautiful. So lovely. I love the craft boxes. They're amazing. And I do not promote things on my channel that I don't believe in or that I don't love, and these craft boxes are beautiful. So if you're interested in checking them out or looking at the website, it is Craftbox UK. And like I said, I will leave the link to Craftbox in the description box below. Go check them out and think about maybe subscribing. You can buy their products. You don't have to subscribe. You can buy their products in their shop online. But the products are just really, really beautiful. And they're not like a lot of other things I've seen on the market. They're very, very unique. This is a super unique product and I love it and I'm super impressed. So check it out, guys, and thanks so much for stopping by and have an amazing holiday season. And I will see you again here on my channel. Bye-bye.